Hey Micah, I just want to say that you're a really pretty girl, and I'm pretty sure you play some sports, but I wish you the best of luck during your high school years, and cherish every moment you have, and you're just sweet, and I hope I get to know you better sometime, even though we always say that all the time and never really happens, but I guess we're supposed to be friends, we're supposed to be friends. Well, I think that you're awesome. Might tell everybody that, but you are awesome. Most of my family knows your family, but I don't know all your family. I just know Taylor and Sam and all them. But yeah, well, stay beautiful and stay cool, and I just wish you the best of luck the past few years. If you'll have a nice school. Sometimes you'll hate it, sometimes you'll love it. Just how it is. But I'm gonna say, I wish I knew something to say. I was just bored because I wanted to do this. It's not saying that. I just wanted, I don't know. Whatever. Just, yep. You like the song, that's why I put it on here. That's why I played it. So I was like, Monica, crazy girl. It connects. So that's why I put the song on. But, like I said, enjoy yourself. Love everyone, even if they don't love you. And you're awesome.